Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of uploading and syncing your files with OneDrive, so you can make sure your important documents, photos, and projects are safely backed up in the cloud and easily accessible from any device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up OneDrive, get your files uploading and syncing smoothly, and even manage your cloud storage space efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open OneDrive on your computer. If you're on Windows, just click on the Start menu and type OneDrive. You should see the app pop right up. Mac users, you'll find OneDrive in your Applications folder. Once you open it, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can quickly create one. It's free and sets up in a minute or two. This step connects your device to your personal cloud storage, so everything you upload is linked to you and only you. After signing in, OneDrive will create a special folder on your computer. On Windows, you'll spot it in File Explorer, and on a Mac, it shows up in Finder. Think of this folder as the hub where all your cloud and local files meet. Anything you add here will be uploaded to OneDrive, making it super simple to access your stuff anywhere, even from the OneDrive website or mobile app. Now there's a handy optional step that can really level up your backup game. Take a look near your system clock. You should see a little OneDrive cloud icon. Right-click it and then head to Settings, click into the Account tab and choose Folders. Here you can pick which folders on your PC you want to sync automatically. For example, you might want to continuously back up your desktop, documents, or pictures folders, so important stuff is always protected without you even thinking about it. It's perfect if, say, you're working on a school project or have precious vacation photos. This keeps them safe if something ever happens to your computer. To actually upload files, you have a few flexible options. You can just drag and drop files or entire folders straight into your OneDrive folder. It's really that easy. Imagine you're taking papers from your desk and putting them into a filing cabinet for safekeeping. Alternatively, you can right-click and copy your files, then paste them inside the OneDrive folder. This doesn't move the files but copies them in case you want the original to stay put. If you're working in a Microsoft Office app like Word or Excel, try using File, then Save a Copy, and select OneDrive Personal as the location. This ensures the latest version of your work is instantly in the cloud. If you're away from your own computer, don't worry. You can upload files directly from any web browser. Just go to OneDrive.com, sign in, hit the Upload button, and pick the files or folders you want to back up. That way, you're always just a few clicks from accessing or uploading your important data. Now, as your files start making their way to the cloud, you'll notice some little icons next to each file. These let you know what's happening. A blue cloud means the file is online only, saving you space on your device. A green checkmark means the file is stored both locally and in the cloud. It's always available, even offline. If you see blue arrows, syncing is in progress, so just give it a moment. And a green double checkmark, that's your green light that the file is synced up and good to go. If your computer's hard drive is getting full, there's a smart way to free up space. Just right-click any file or folder with a green checkmark and choose Free Up Space. This turns the file into online only, swapping the green checkmark for that blue cloud icon, and immediately returns precious storage to your device, almost like moving items to an offsite storage locker, but you can still access them instantly when needed as long as you're online. And there you have it, you're all set to upload and sync files with confidence using OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy syncing.